In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build the 6th builder hut in Clash of Clans. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can unlock this valuable addition to your village efficiently. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Clash of Clans app. Launch the app and make sure it's fully updated, as having the latest version ensures you have access to all game features and any recent improvements or fixes. Once the app is open, navigate to the login screen and log in with your Supercell ID. This is important because it keeps your progress saved and secure across devices. Click on your account, and once logged in, you will be brought to the Clash of Clans home screen. From the home screen, your next move is to head over to the boat. The boat is your crucial link between the main village and the builder base, where most of our work will take place to gain the 6th builder hut. If you haven't already used the boat in-game, a simple tap on it will allow you to travel to the builder base. Now, once you're in the builder base, make sure your builder hall is at level 9. This is a key requirement because it unlocks several features needed for subsequent steps. To level up the builder hall, gather resources by battling and completing daily challenges. Next, focus on gearing up your defense structures. You need to gear up your archer tower, cannon, and mortar in your main village. These upgrades are done in the main village and require a master builder from your builder base. Having these defenses geared up not only strengthens your base, but is also necessary for unlocking the auto hut feature. After that, you need to upgrade a few crucial units and structures. First, bring your cannon cart to level 18. The cannon cart is a powerful troop in the builder base, and upgrading it to this level boosts your offensive capabilities significantly. Then, work on upgrading your battle machine to level 30. The battle machine is your hero with a special ability that recharges, which becomes even more formidable at higher levels. Finally, ensure that your Mega Tesla is upgraded to at least level 9, as this not only improves its potency in battles, but serves as a requirement for achieving the auto hut. Once these upgrades are in place, you can activate auto, taking on the tasks set by the game. These tasks may range from additional upgrades or achieving certain milestones. Completing them will allow Otto to become an extra builder in your main village. After you've completed all the necessary tasks, you'll find that you've unlocked a new builder hut. Congratulations, there's your 6th builder hut. With this additional builder, your base can develop even faster, and you'll be well on your way to maximizing your village potential. And there you have it, the complete guide to unlocking the 6th builder hut in a Clash of Clans. Thanks for watching, and happy building!